21 Echeverias I've grown and loved with identification and parentage. We have number 1, Echeveria Perle von Nurnberg. She's a cross between E. gibbiflora Metalica and E. elegans. Number 2, Echeveria Lola, a cross between Echeveria lilacina and Echeveria derenbergii. Number 3 is Echeveria diffractens, also known as the shattering Echeveria. Number 4, Echeveria Cubic Frost, a hybrid of Echeveria Doppler, which is a cross of Echeveria Topsy Turvy and Echeveria shaviana. Number 5, Echeveria Tippy, a cross of E. agavoides and E. derenbergii. Number 6, Echeveria pulidonis. The leaf margins turn red. Number 7, Echeveria runyonii Topsy Turvy. It's a monstrous cultivar. Number 8, Echeveria Ramillette, a cross of Echeveria Tippy and E. setosa ciliata. Number 9, Echeveria elegans. Ten, Echeveria Ruffles. It's a hybrid created by Dick Wright. 11, Echeveria lilacina. 12, Echeveria pulvinata. It's really fuzzy. 13, Echeveria purpusorum, variety Dionysos. This is Echeveria Rezry, Echeveria Subcorymbosa, and Echeveria Laulensis. This is Echeveria Allegra, number 17. Parentage is unknown. And this is 18, Echeveria Hercules. It's a cross between E. pulidonis and E. elegans. 19, Echeveria agavoides. 20, Echeveria prolifica. And 21, Echeveria shaviana. Those are 21 of my favorite Echeverias to grow. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to buy my book, The Succulent Manual.